Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been so long and honestly I've missed you all so much. But first of all, before we move forward, I would like to, before we move forward, thank you so much everyone who stuck around, sent messages, rewatched my old videos, and you know what I mean. Life has been a little crazy lately, but finally I'm back with more content, more stories, and some exciting updates for you. So in today's video, we are going to talk about my lipstick shades that I am currently obsessed with these days. Actually, I have a box full of 50, more than 70 lipstick shades, but currently I'm obsessed with, I think, 7 to 8 lipstick shades that I have here right now with me. So I'll be sharing with you all, showing you all what I use these days. Okay, so let's move forward. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so first one is this Swiss Beauty. It is caramel shade. Its code number is 214. So this is a shade which I am obsessed these days. If you want to go into a very nude brown kind of shade, so you can use this. Currently I have been applying this, so you can see the shade. It's really it's amazing. When I'm going to office, mostly I use this. So yeah, this is the first one. Okay, so moving forward, second is this Miss Claire soft matte lip cream. This is a very very nude shade, very, I think, peachish kind of shade. I can show you this. So yeah, this one looks something like this. I don't know if you can see this clearly, but yeah. So it looks something like this. I'll show you this one also. So this one is, yeah. Okay, so moving forward, this shade, I think this is my 4th bottle. I am really obsessed with this lipstick since more than 6 months maybe. So this is from Inside. Its shade is Temptation, and I am obsessed. I'm literally obsessed with this. This is a kind of it gives a very glossy texture in brown shade. So, and it's very creamy. So I love this color. It's amazing. Let me apply this. I'll show you how it looks. Yeah, it looks like this. It looks something like this. It's really glossy and I love this. So if you want a very glossy yet a little dark and brown shade, you can go for this. Okay, so moving forward, next is again it's from Swiss Beauty. It's Russian Red. I'm currently applying this. So this is, when you're going out in a party, when you're in a bold look, you can apply this. Basically, I prefer that when I'm wearing all black. So in that case, mostly I apply this color. It's really glossy and it has a very creamy texture, and yeah, it's good. It's hot. So okay, moving forward, and next is again in this nude shade. This is also from Inside. It has a dry texture, that thing wo ho jata hai na when you apply the lipstick and after some time peels off from inside. So this is that. So the last one, this one. So yeah, it's nice. You can go for it. You can go for it whenever you are going for a casual look or you are not in a mood to get ready. So you can go for this. Okay. Next is again from Inside. I love Inside lipsticks. They are not very expensive also, and their texture is amazing. This again from Inside. Its shade is Bloodhound. So this is a very creamy texture. It comes like this. It is a very dark pink, you know, the hot pink which we call. So this is that. So yes, this looks something like this. It's hot. It's hot pink. I use this whenever I'm wearing a very light shade dress or a top. So I apply this. It's really hot. Okay, so next is again a very dark brown shade from Inside. So its shade is Millionaire 04. It's a very dark brown. So this is in my Good Color Shades lipsticks. Okay, so moving forward, the last one is again from Inside. So I would not say this is nude, and this is not dark pink also. It's between that. So it looks something like this. It's a lovely shade. You can apply it when you want to look cute or pretty. Yeah, so you can go for this. This shade is, I don't know, it's not written, but I'll drop the link. Okay. So last but not the least, this is from Masaba, which I bought it from Ludhiana when I went for a site. So I think it's over. Khatam hone wala hai. So it looks something like this. And it's a lovely shade. For its shade color, if you want to know, is Jet Jolin 10. It's from Masaba, Love Child. So this is a lovely shade. I have used this for I don't know how many months, more than 6-7 months. This thoda sa bacha hua hai, so I always try कि जितना भी है थोड़ा सा लगा ले. So yeah, that's it. That's it for all the lipstick shades I used. So yeah, thank you all for watching me. It's been lovely. I hope I have been able to help you all. And yes, for sure, I'll drop all the lipsticks links with the names on the description below. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. And yes, I promise, this time I'm here to stay. So yeah, I hope I have been able to help you all. And so yeah, do let me know if you have any comments, any feedback, or anything you want to tell me. Sure, you are happy to, drop all your comments. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye. I love you guys.